What's going on YouTube? I am back at it again with another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone SE 2020 edition. So this is completely unplanned. As a lot of my regular viewers might know, I have had an iPhone 8 for the last 3 years, and I have been reluctant to get rid of it just because it has been working just fine and everything for the past few years, and I also haven't been a fan of the new notched iPhones, so I've just been keeping my phone waiting for Apple to make a phone that I would like. And if the iPhone 12 has 120 Hz, I'm still considering getting that. But anyways, why did I buy this 3 weeks before an iPhone announcement? Well, I was at work the other day, and my iPhone 8 suffered a horrendous workplace accident, and it completely destroyed it to the point where, it cannot be fixed, not working anymore. So unfortunately, I was left without any choice but to buy an iPhone SE to tide me over for now. And if the iPhone 12 is kind of a disappointment, and what that would mean for me is the lack of 120 Hz, that's pretty much all I care about. If it has it, I'm going to buy it. If it doesn't, I won't. If the iPhone 12 kind of sucks, I'll just keep this until, I feel like upgrading again. But anyways, this is the iPhone SE. Essentially, this is an iPhone 11 Pro in the body of an iPhone 8, and that is a pretty decent combination. I have said in the past that I'm getting kind of bored with this design because I have been using the 4.7-inch iPhone design, which is basically this, for the past 5 years now. And so I'm getting a little bored with it, but I also don't care for the notch. I would still rather use this than deal with that. Pretty cool phone. I got the red 256 gig model, of course. I have a lot of stuff on there. This is the SIM-free model, which is cool. But as you can see there, product red, so a portion of the purchase goes to charity, which is cool. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open the box. So, take this plastic wrapping off. Interesting, a little bit different than newer or older iPhones have been. Let's just get right to it. Let's pull out the box. Ooh. I actually have never bought a product red Apple product before, so this is all a little bit new to me. So anyways, in our quick start guide thing here, you can see we have this product red thing, which I think just tells you, so it goes, a portion of the purchase goes to the AIDS fund, which is awesome. We have just a really quick start guide and not much else. Got our SIM removal tool, because this is the unlocked SIM-free model, so that's cool. Always can use another one of those, and our Apple stickers, and then, regulatory crap. Let's file that to the side and get to the phone itself. As you can see, here it is. Go ahead and pull it out. And here she is. So this is a beautiful red color, as you can see. I've never had a phone color this loud. I've pretty much bought gold iPhones and nothing else for the past few years, but I saw this red color, and they got rid of the gold on the SE, so I was like, well, I don't want white or black, because those are boring. So I just decided to go for this red, and it looks really cool. You can see down there on the phone itself, it does actually say product red, which is kind of neat. And you also might notice it doesn't say iPhone on the back, and that kind of lines up with the newer, like iPhone 11s and such. It's got a black front, which I'm going to have to get used to. I have had white/gold iPhones for the past few years, so looking at a black front is going to be interesting again, but I can get used to it. And having that nice red accent around the side is pretty cool. Of course, I am going to put a case on it, the Tech 21 Impact Clear. Freaking love this case, and I just so happen to have a brand new one in my drawer, so that's going to be a perfect match for this phone. Other than that, let's go ahead and peel the plastic off. Oh yeah. So this phone has been making quite a racket because this is basically the same A13 SoC and everything else as the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro have. And this phone starts at $400 for the 64 gig model. Now this was the 256, so it cost $550, but that's still an insane amount of value for the kind of processor you're getting with this phone. And this thing is going to be very long-lived because that A13 is super powerful. Anyways, there we are. I am just going to go ahead and start setting it up, getting my stuff on it, but just wanted to boot it up real quick for you guys before I end this video. And of course, like I said, this is boring stuff, but you get your ear pods. I believe we still get a lightning cable, which is great, and another 5-watt charging brick. These are going away very soon, but for now, you still get it. So anyways, that is it. That is the unboxing of the iPhone SE 2020. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.